Welcome. In front of me is a Neffos X9, and today I'll show you how to enable unknown sources. So, jumping straight to it, we want to open up the settings, and from here, tap on the permissions, right here, and on the three dots up in the right corner, and choose Special App Access. And then at the bottom, you will see Install Unknown Apps, so just tap on it, and here you have list of apps that basically can install apps from unknown sources. And all you have to do is basically allow them. As you can see, File Manager is allowed. So you can basically do for Chrome the same thing, to allow. And now if you download something through Google, you can always install it. So that's basically how you enable the unknown sources. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.